Hello everyone, this is Moonlight Learning Academy, and today we are going to be learning how to multiply binomials by polynomials. So, in the first example, we have to multiply x plus 2 by x plus 3. You can break apart x plus 2 into x and 2, and then multiply each part by x plus 3. So you can do x times x plus 3 plus 2 times x plus 3. And then you can just multiply, and that gives you x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. And then you can simplify, and that gives you x squared plus 5x plus 6 as your final answer. Let's move on to the next problem. For this problem, we have to multiply 2x minus 1 by x plus 4. And you have to do the same thing you did in the last problem. So you can break apart 2x minus 1 into 2x and negative 1, and multiply each part by x minus 4. So you can do 2x times x minus 4 minus 1 times x minus 4, and then multiply it out, which gives you 2x squared minus ax minus x plus 4. And now you can simplify to give you 2x squared minus 9x plus 4 as your final answer. Let's move on to the next problem. For this problem, we have to multiply x squared minus 2x plus 1 by x plus 5. And here you can multiply each part of the first factor by x plus 5. And that would give you x squared times x plus 5 minus 2x times x plus 5 plus 1 times x plus 5, and you can multiply it out, which gives you x to the power of 3 plus 5x squared minus 2x squared minus 10x plus x plus 5, and then you can simplify to get x to the power of 3 plus 3x squared minus 9x plus 5 as your final answer. Let's move on to the next problem. So for this problem, we have to multiply 3x plus 4 by 2x squared minus x plus 3. And you can do the same thing you did in the last problem, which is break apart the second factor into its parts and multiply each part by 3x plus 4. So you can do 2x squared times 3x plus 4 minus x times 3x plus 4 plus 3 times 3x plus 4, and then multiply it out, which would give you 6x to the power of 3 plus 8x squared minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 9x plus 12, and then simplify to get 6x to the power of 3 plus 5x squared plus 5x plus 12. And for this problem, we have to do x minus 2 times x squared plus 3x plus 4, and multiply each part of the second factor by x minus 2, and then put it all together like the other problems. So you can do x squared times x minus 2 plus 3x times x minus 2 plus 4 times x minus 2, and multiply it out, which would give you x to the power of 3 minus 2x squared plus 3x squared minus 6x plus 4x minus 8, and then simplify, which would give you x to the power of 3 plus x squared minus 2x minus 8 as your final answer. Alright everyone, that is all for today. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I will see you in the next one. Bye!